This bird often perches on the bodies of large mammals. It is called the oxpecker. The bird does not perch on large mammals without reason. It finds an abundant food source there. Oxpeckers typically feed on ticks and parasites that cling to their host's body. Occasionally, they also consume decaying skin or flesh resulting from competition in the wild. This behavior is known as mutualism. The oxpecker is an endemic bird of Africa. It inhabits a wide range of open habitats. Its distribution is limited by the presence of its preferred prey. Certain species of ticks,